So on this video, I'm gonna explain how can you update your PIHOLE container running a Synology NAS. One of the first containers that I installed on my NAS several years ago. So first, let's go to the admin console of the PIHOLE. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you might see this message saying update available. If you click on it, you will see which is the latest release of the container. In this case, this is 2023-0110. And when you want to upgrade, you have to open your DSM. You go into the Docker container daemon. We click on the registry, and then we look for the PIHOLE repository. The first one here, this is PIHOLE repository. We double click on it, and we need to look for this release of the image, which is the latest one, right? So we click here, we scroll down, look for the we look for the image, this one here, double click, we just select, then the image is gonna be downloaded to our Synology. When the image is downloaded, we're gonna go to the containers, look for the running container, which is here, this one. And what we are gonna do now is we're gonna export the configuration of this container. We will select one folder to export the configuration. I use this folder. It's a generic one in which we will be getting a document with all the configuration. We navigate to the folder, this one here, container, and if we double click on this file, you will see that we have all the configuration of the running container. Now all we have to do is look for the image tag and then just replace the numbers into the release that we want to install. So 2023-01 10. Let's put 10 here, which corresponds to this one that was suggested before. Now the moment we have this, we just click save, and we will be creating a new container based on this new configuration. So before doing that, let me stop the PIHOLE running. We click here on the switch. And once that the PIHOLE running on the NAS is stopped, we're gonna click here on settings, then import. We will look for the file that we just update, and this one here, and we are gonna select it. We're gonna change the name so that we make sure that this is, a different container. I'm putting, typically I use the date in which I am creating the new container. You see here, this is a brand new container. We just click on start, and a new container has been created. As it is an exact copy of the previous one with the new image, you will see that everything is gonna, if we open the logs, everything's gonna run as if nothing has happened. And if we get back to the admin console of the PIHOLE, we need to enter the password again. And you will see that the message, well, obviously the screen is not going to be exactly the same because there is a new release. It is a new release of the image, and you will see that the image that is running now is the newest one. And that's all. It's I believe pretty easy to follow. Last step that I recommend you to do though is to remove the old one so that you don't mess the two. So we just hit click here on delete, and you get rid of the old image. And again, it's that simple. You have a brand new image for your PIHOLE. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video.